in Azam City. You're watching One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with information, news, sports, and public affairs. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with love. Ang telebisyong pangmasa. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. One TV special report.
There are 11 members present, including the Honorable Presiding Officer.
Having 11 members present, the Chair declares a quorum. Once again, good afternoon to each and every one of us in this sitting forum. May I request Honorable Majority Floor Leader for the order of business, please.
Yes, Honorable Chair, good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. We have guests on this afternoon's regular session, Honorable Chair. The members of the Barangay Council of Bayanguada, headed by the Punong Barangay, Honorable Rica Madas. They are here to provide us information about their ordinance. The ordinance changing the name of Barangay District to Ascension District, because this ordinance is now in our order basis for second reading, Honorable Sen. So we would like to be briefed by Barangay on the reasons why they are changing the name of their barangay and the justifications, so it will guide us to decide on the ordinance which we have to deliberate on the second reading today, Honorable Chair. So may we request the Barangay Council be given the chance to speak for us. May I move to suspend the rules, Honorable Chair, to allow them to speak.
Rules suspended. The Honorable Rica Madas is hereby requested to please take the chair.
We would like to hear from the barangay, whoever is the designated spokesman, perhaps the Punong Barangay Rica Madas, to occupy a chair. So may we know, Punong Barangay Rica Madas, what are the reasons why you are changing the name of your barangay?
Maayong hapon sa tanan, Honorable atong Vice Mayor, og City Council, ang kuana na change me og kaning 50th and sa Barangay 50th District to Ascenso 50th Barangay. Kay sa ako lang, daghan kayo nangutana. So, dili ko katubag. Dili ko katubag na nganong 50th District. 50th District. Sama ra na sa akong anak, no? Na akong ginganlan na Flor Valerie, katong eldest nako, na ang Florencio, akong father-in-law. Ang akong father gyud is Valeriano. So mo nang Flor Valerie. Mo nang makatubag jud ko. Pero katong 50th District, so dili jud ko kay makatubag ana. Dayon, ang 50th District, wala man tay 49 District na diretso na dayon sa 50th District. Mo nang akong kuan sa council, sa akong kauban na nakikuan ko nila. Ang istorya ko nila na uyon ba sila na ato ng usbon ang ngalan sa 50th District. Himuon nato Asenso 50th District. Kay daghan man jud mangutana bisan sa akong bana na upat man gyud na sa katermino siya mismo dili siya katubag. Nangutana ko sa akong bana ana, di pud siya makatubag. So nag-decide kami sa akong kauban sa council na among i-change ang ngalan. Kay kita karon sa Osamis kanunay Asenso Osamis. Ang Asenso meaning na naadiri sa sentro. Naadiri ang sentro, ang 50th district sa sentro no na establishment tanan diri. Naay atong mga bangko. 14 kabuk atong bangko, atong mga shopping mall, mga Farmacia Susana, mga drugstore. So, kaning 50th, mo na naka-decide yun mi na himuon na lang o kuan, Asenso 50th Barangay.
Thank you. Yes.
Honorable Chair, so may I ask, is that the only reason? Because nobody can answer why it was called 5th District? Muna ang inyong usbon ang inyong ngalan sa barangay? Muna na hinungdan ang inyong usbon?
O kay ang kuan magod sa Misamis Occidental, Your Honor, no? Duha ka distrito. District 1, District 2. So, congressional na siya. So, ang amo lang nganong naay 50th district. Mora lang among kuan kay wala man tay 49 district di diretso sa 50th district. Mao nang among kuan usapod ang 50th district na sentro man gud diri sa Osamis City. Na sentro ba siya? So, mora gyud ang among rason na duha laman atong distrito dire.
Before I inquire further, Sir, I yield to my colleagues for their inquiry. I'll share mine after the inquiry, Sir.
Yes, okay, anybody would like to interpret? Honorable Suiso.
Thank you very much, Madam Chair and the honorable colleagues. I have a question to our Punong Barangay regarding the steps and guidelines that we need to follow strictly for the renaming of a barangay. As we have mentioned, there is a need for the council to have it passed in as a city ordinance, and then it will be approved by the National Historical Institute that will be under the consultation of the NHCP, or the National Historical Cultural or Geographical Office Commission. That's a commission. And then the naming, as what we have heard, that it will not be named so after a person, so it's okay. After that, we need to go to the ratification. We need to submit or have this ordinance after the consultation with the NHCP to the COMELEC for a particular plebiscite. Then the COMELEC will conduct such plebiscite, schedule, supervise within the affected barangay if the entire populace is amenable to such renaming. And then after the majority approval, let it be known that it will be also subject for consolidating all the agencies under the name of the Osamis City's jurisdiction, that this will be the new name of the barangay. Then under that, underlying is that the barangay will be funding the expenses of the said plebiscite. And with that, I think there are regulations and guidelines that we need to follow. But this is just an observation, Madam Chair, that although it will be changed to Asenso 50th Barangay, for us, kitang nagpuyo sa Uzamis, 50th Barangay, lagi na siya. May mag-drive tag motor, hatod kong 50th Barangay. Hangtod generations will come siguro nga mo abot na tayo nga magamit na si Asenso 50th Barangay. Pero for us, nga kanang naanad na 50th Barangay ra gyud na ang mataw mo ra gyud ma-registered sa utok sa mga tao as of this generation and the next to come. So with that, Madam Chair, ang ako lang po nahinumduman nga na 50th Barangay because this was, I think, during the mayorship of the then Mayor Ben Fuentes. Gitawag siya 50th because I think this is the 50th barangay to be given such name after all the 49 barangays has already been established. So, murag nahulog niya siya ika-50 barangay na nahimugso mo na gitawag siya 50th barangay kay the entire Zamis is 51. There is the last barangay nga ika-51 pero I didn't know kung unsa to siya. Pero I think that's the significance. I heard that over the radio katong muhi pa si Mr. Lago na 50th barangay ang gitawag because siya ang nahimugso ng ika-50 nga barangay. Thank you very much, Madam Chair.
Okay, thank you very much, Honorable Suizo, of your manifestation. Any other comment or some manifestation from the members of this august body? Yes, the previous barangay chairperson of Aguada, 15th District, Honorable Lao. You may have some comments or remarks.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Actually, na-confuse po ko sa 51 barangays, ang 50th Red District. So, nganawan man na barangay ang 50th. Why it was called district. So, I think it's better that we have to determine what is different between barangay and district. Okay, unusual ba? Sa probably the whole Philippines, ang 53 district, wala na yung barangay. So what's the reason behind it? Nga no district may ngalan, not barangay. Kaya ang barangay, mo man the smallest nga government nga
Yes.
sa kwan sa Pilipinas. So, mo na unusual. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Lao, of your manifestation. Yes, on the former barangay chairperson also, Barangay Gango, Honorable Sakin.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Nalagay pangutana ni Kapitan, Honorable Chair. During sa Barangay Assembly, wala ba'y ano sa may consensus sa mga tao before the approval of this proposed ordinance during sa Barangay Assembly? Unsay consensus? What is the voice of the people regarding the changing of name?
So, during sa among barangay assembly na ay ako ginang gi-explain gipa sabot nako sila na mag-change ta og kaanang ngalan sa barangay na Barangay 50th District to Asenso 50th Barangay. Wala sila ikan. Okay ra gid sila. Naami attendance. Na okay
Kap.
sila.
Okay, thank you. Follow-up question, Kap. Did you conduct a research why your barangay name 50th District? The old man in your barangay, did you conduct a research?
Wala ko nakakuan ana. Wala ko naka...
Like sa Gango, how Gango got his name? Nanong gingalan siya Gango? No? So, tis naami history ana, nanong Gango ang gingalan? So, sa inyong barangay, so, wala po'y history ana ka. Sa ato ang provincial library, wala po mo naka-research ana nganong gingalan sa 50th District.
Muna siya konsel na naglibog pud mi. Kami mismo asa mi research ana na nganong 50th district gyud ang gingalan
Kay
na
follow up kay sa amo sa Gango, so pag ano gingalan sa Gango, why Gango got its name? So we will conduct a research from the provincial library. At least naamo na sa history dito good. Anak ba? So I suggest Honorable Chair na
Yes.
before siguro finalize ang maong ngalan. So mas may siguro na thorough research para at least kay sila mismo nga taga barangay wala sila kabalo ano gingalang 50th district. So imposible siya wala siya significant history ang significant explanation nganong gingalan siya 50th district. So at least mahibalo ta sila mismo nga mga barangay official nganong gingalan siya 50th district. Thank you, Honorable Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Sakin, of your manifestation. Yes, Honorable Major Teclo Leader. Any other comment from the other members of this August body? Any manifestation, please? Yes, go ahead.
Honorable Chair, because we have to deliberate this later on, I will have to decide to approve or to disapprove. So we need the guidance of the barangay about their justification, because if you change the name of a barangay which has been there for how many years, the change should be justified. There should be a clear justification. Nga ano, should be necessary, should be beneficial, should be practical. With the district has been there for many years. I don't believe nga naghimo na yung balaod sa una, wala sa wisdom. I always believe our forefathers who captured the law for us has wisdom why this has been named as 50 district. Because 50 district is the name of the barangay. It's the name, 50 district. Muna yung ngalan. Kung kag San Roque. San Roque is a saint. So you have to repeat to a saint, repeat to barangay San Roque. When you say barangay Santa Cruz, Santa Cruz is a saint. But when you say Santa Cruz, we repeat to barangay Santa Cruz, not a saint. There's something as business, Route 88. So, route means agianan, dalan. 88. Yung kalpisyon nga, napoy Route 1, Route 2, town sa Route 7. Wala. It happens nga, ang ngalan naman sa si business is Route 88. Same as Barangay District. The name is District. It has been like barangay first district, wala. It has to presume. Kung sa name is district, kung musulat ka, unrespected, betes mo yun. Nobody will look for barangay 49, barangay 48, because it is not existent in the city. Unique ang ngalan sa barangay, 50 district. So, there must be a wisdom sa premiers of that. And the barangay, you have to change, you have to know the origin, the wisdom. If you change the name, you must have very big justification. Kaya doon mo na inyo lang i-change tungkol lang kay malibog mga tao. Di ba mas malibog mga tao kung usbon yung ngalan o Asinso 50 district? Mga nisa di malibog. Pag liver sa ilang mga produkto, liver. Kalibog ginoon. Kasi karoon wala kalibog. So you have to be practical. You have to be beneficial. Kung naon sa'y benefit na yung makuha, na may benefit. You have to explain to us, kay amo na yung pubahan, kami mga nubag sa katawan, ano yung isisi nga, dugan mga anak. You have to very good justification. And you said, you give them Asinso. Asinso is a brand name. Because Asinso 50. Because Usami is Asinso. Kung magpasidal ka, magpasinso ko. All barangays kung sa Asinso. Asinso Guada, Asinso Gimat, Asinso Gigona, Asinso Gitabragay. All are Asinso. Because it's a brand. Asinso Karen, Tudela, Sinakaman, all are Asinso. Asinso Bisan. All of these NGOs in our province are simply Asinso. Di lang lang yung Asinso, Pisong Asinso kay is a brand nga which has evolved through the years. Kaya pa Usam City. Na-evolve na nga ang brand mo na. So you don't have to say Asinso Bitabragay. No need. Because all barangays are Asinso. Asinso Simanagoro. Asinso Tinago. You don't have to put Asinso. Because it's special, it's built in. What you want to know here in City Council, unsay na ko kayong hinungdan, ano i-change? Unsay significance?
Okay.
Nabay hero nga i-honor o sa? Kung magsisa daw, wala klarong hinungdan, it's not reasonable. It's not persuasive. So, we want to know from the bagat, kung sa pala ang rason na significant. Is it necessary? Necessary ko change? Kap, please respond.
Okay. Kapitan Ritumadas, or anybody who would like to answer from the member of the Barangay Council? Kasi doon na mo ikadugang
Kani akong mga kagawad na
sa mga pangutana di ka sa atong konseho, palihog. Di mo gusto sayo ng utro tagmangalan.
Honorable Vice Mayor, permission to speak?
Yes, Honorable Lau, you are now recognized.
Concerning about the why we decided to name the barangay as Asenso 50, there is actually another reason why we decided to take that name. Apart from that, we can see that to us, to our fellow Kagawats, we see that 15th district is a very progressive barangay. Makita na to. I even consider it as the heart of the city, economically, and for us to signify or ipakita na to na there is growth in the barangay. We opted the name Asenso because Asenso, when you look at the word Asenso, it signifies community growth. It also signifies economic success. It also signifies civic development. Asenso is a very heavy word, holds a very heavy meaning. Nakita lang mo nga progressive yun ang 15. It is only so mo palit ning amo gina siyang i-push na mo nga name ang i-gamit. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Honorable Lau. Yes, Honorable Waminan, you have the floor.
Thank you, Madam Chair. As to the manifestation ni Kapitan Ritumadas na walay 49 district, ug mo na ilang bisis para sila ha, kung kirapod pero mas maayo siguro nga dugangan paglaing basihan kung baga makahatag og history nganong gilisdan lang ang 50th district into Asenso 50th barangay para at least napay katagbawan sa katawhan kung ganong giilisdan. Dugangan na siguro na to, Madam Kapitan, o lain pang basihan para mulig-on gyud ang imuhang business. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Waminan, for your manifestation. Pinsa pa gusto mo sir? Anybody would like to share? Yes, Honorable Lau.
Okay, thank you, Madam Chair. Actually, no, sa government agencies, at present time, ang barangay, they consider as barangay 58. Even the BRR, they're using barangay 58, not barangay 50 district. All forms sa gobyerno or even private, ang ibutan magiging what barangay, but they never mention what district. So probably ang i-emphasize ko sa gobyerno this time, even when you send something through forwarder, they will just ask you what barangay you belong. Even as I have mentioned a while ago about the BR, they always mention there what barangay your establishment belong. So they're using 50th barangay. So I think it's right time this time that we have to correct this problem, Madam Chair.
This thank you, Honorable Lau, of your manifestation. Salamat. Any other comments or remarks? Yes, we would like to recognize
Hello.
Kagawad from Aguada. Please come forward. Aguada, sorry.
Maayong hapon, Madam Chair, and to everybody. I am Kagawad Corbino sa Barangay 50th. Dugang nga mga punto nga nung amo recommend changing our barangay name into such a censo barangay. One point is we differ geographically in size and in official status. What akong pasabot, since the barangay, it is the smallest administrative division, as mentioned also sa atong mga leaders kanina, no? And whereas if we say district, kanang it's a larger area and it means multiple barangays on it if we say district. And particularly here sa Misamis Occidental, we have two districts, namely the first district nga represented by our Congressman Anto Waminal, and we have the second district. But we are a barangay, 50th barangay, and administrated by a punong barangay, not a congressman. So ang pasabot, in size and in official status, we differ. Because we are the smallest administrative division in our country. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Honorable. Yes, any other comment? Yes, Honorable Suizo.
Yes, Madam Chair, thank you very much. This representation would like to recommend or suggest that before we could go through with this city ordinance on renaming the barangay, probably we could ask them to have a consultation first with the Philippine Historical Institute, Madam Chair, because they are the agency that will going to ensure historical accuracy. After we have a clearance or a consultation with the National Historical Commission of the Philippines, that will be the time that this justification or the historical accuracy will be the basis for such renaming, and an ordinance will take effect, Madam Chair. Thank you very much.
Your manifestation, Honorable Suizo, is being noted by the Chair. So I hope that the officials of the 50th barangay will take note on the manifestation of Honorable Suizo. Yes, any reaction, ma? Napapatay mga lang. So it was manifested by Honorable Suizo Kumaimo, dugang patag mga dugang mga research, no? Ay dili pwede nga diya na tayo true mga ngalan. Kaya it has been there for such a long time. So atong i-research nga nung nahimo ng 50th district, atong i-research na kung sa'y kabubuan, anong kana i-uli, no? Is Honorable Major Leader?
Yes, at least we wanted to hear the said barangay anong ilang it seems. That's why we heard him now. Kung sila ang mga justification, we have to consider it as their justification. We have to deliberate on this later on, second day, whether to approve or disapprove, because we need to act on this now. Kaya kung natin na aksyonan, mahay mo nang balaod after 3 days. So, before that, before acting, we are hearing the barangay. They represent the people of the Barangay 50 district. Sila man ang gipili. So, pag sila na karon, sila ang tingog sa barangay. Sila ang tingog ikan sa barangay. Na naminaw tao sa tingog sa barangay. So, we want them to justify ano it is, what significance ay we know now that what sa inungdan ng 50 district. But we are sure for a fact na nag-i-wish lang itong gihimo aning ngalan sa unang panahon. Wala tayo balon. So, it should be incumbent upon the research nga nung victim barangay. Sama ingon ni Honorable Sakin, ang gango na history. Should be change kung sa lugar nga nung wala kay dako nga katalungan. Very significant. You should know the history. Kung hindi ka history, they have on their history. So, you have not disappeared. As of now, wala pa kabilong sa history. So, tama lang ang research. So, wala na yung mga justification ng barangay. We want to thank them for their explanation kung saan nganong ilang change ang ngalan sa barangay district. So, kung ano yung lain, then we'll explain to them so that we can proceed.
Oh, there is an additional...
Nakikamay siya. By the way, with Kap Belen Recamadas right now, she's holding actually a resolution. Actually, namin gamay research nga nahimo. And she's holding with her right now and with me a resolution dated 1973. And it is mentioned here na anong 50th, as mentioned by Honorable Suizo a while ago, nga ika-50 gid siya, munang 50th barangay. But ang amo ang gi-raise karon is why it is named district instead of barangay. So muna amo ang gi-highlight jud karon, recommending to change it from a district to a barangay. Thank you so much.